Alright, YouTube. So I'm here at the shop. Basically right now the plan is all my stuff came in for the motor. I got the pistons, rods, everything to machine. But what I have to do is, since I'm going 1 millimeter oversized, that's about 40 thousandths, 39 thousandths. It's too much to hone on just a normal hone, which is that guy over here, because I want my cylinders to be as straight as possible. And don't get me wrong, you could do it, but they'll be straight in either this direction or this direction. So the proper way to do it is to throw it on the f69, and we're going to bore it out properly, make the cylinder straight, and then come shy about 10 thou or 5 thousandths, and then throw it on the hone to get our final sizing. So what I have to do is make these guys, which are called locators, and I am on the lathe right now about to do that. So I'll take a time lapse for you guys and show you how it goes. So this is my main bearing housing size, and that's what I have to get it to. Right now we are at about, if I remember correctly, let's see where we're at. We're about 2.7 right now on the gauge. So we have to go to 2.559. So we'll go down to the 5. But till then, we'll get machining. So on the micrometer, it is stating that we're at 2.5, 2550 plus 9, so 2.59 and 7/10. And on our spec, we have to be between 2.5590 and 2.5598, so we're at 2.5597, so 1/10 under our max, which is perfect. So right there, 2.5597. I did one side, now I have to do it to the rest, and number 1 will be done. Alright, so I got my second one on the lathe. I just hit 2.5597. So now what I'm gonna do is flip this over, grab it right here, and then take down this lip all the way to match this side. And this is the last one. So once this is done, we'll go to the block and put these in the mains, and then we'll be able to go to the f69 and pop it up on there. So it's going smooth, pretty happy with it. I'll show you guys once it's done. So I got 2.5597 and 2.5598 on this side. So 1/10 variance, but this is done.